Hello everyone, in this video we will see some easy and cute craft. First we are taking a long pipe and then cutting out the plain area as you can see in a thin form, and then on the spiral area we are just inserting a scissor and cutting it down, not fully cutting it, and then we are just inserting the thin area in that, and you can see we are detailing a little bit and our moving caterpillar is ready. Next we are taking a spiral pipe and then joining both of the edges together so that we can get this ring, and then we are joining a pipe and bit of small pieces on it, and our bubble maker is ready. Next we are taking a red sheet and then folding it out from the front and from the back one time, and then folding it again for the marks we get, and then we are making this figure. Just repeat it with total 5 of the figures and join all of them together so that you can get this beautiful star. Now you can secure it with glue also or not, but it is looking so cool. You can make it with any other color also. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken some pink and green stripes. After that we are pasting it onto a toothpick. As you can see, we are rolling it again and again color by color until we get this design. As you can see, after that your spinner is ready. Next we are taking a blue sheet in rectangular shape and then folding half of it like this. Repeat it with the other half, and after that just fold it accordingly and paste it. And then we are taking a dark color sheet and then pasting it onto the sword we've made, and then completing the sword by placing a final handle on it made with the dark color sheet. And you can see your sword is ready to fight. Next we are moving ahead. Here we are taking a part of a balloon and then covering it with another balloon. Next we are taking a sheet. Here we've taken designer sheet. You can take any other sheet or any themed sheet. Then you need to fold it just like we are doing and you get your cute bats. Next we are taking a rectangular sheet of paper and then we are folding it as you can see to get this figure done. Just join one more of it together as you can see and you'll get your cute spinner star. Let's move ahead. Here we've taken a blue rectangular sheet and then folding it as you can see from the front and from the back so that we can get this figure easily. After that we are folding it from the edges very slightly so that we can get this mark, and then fold it again from the edges. Just repeat the steps what we are doing here, and then you can see by following a single step you can get your cute heart toys ready. Just see what we are doing here, and then you can make it with any different color, and then you can see it's done. Thanks for watching.